Alright guys, I am super excited to go over something we really been working on for our good client Edgar. The name Edgar, I want to share something with you guys on that name. The first ever Camaro client that actually did business with Auto Addict was a gentleman named Edgar back in like 2014, back in the days. So super cool to see another gentleman come in named Edgar. Got the kind of same style that I worked with the first Edgar almost 10 years ago, but we did a full-on conversion ZL1 1LE track package with the RS headlights from 2019 to 2023. He has a beautiful 2019 SS1LE, and unfortunately, he got in a little accident which cracked his bumper, cracked his upper grille, and it just makes more sense for him. Instead of buying an OEM, let's just get that more aggressive look and more airflow to his SS1LE. Without further ado, let's go over the details outside and show you guys everything that we worked on his beautiful SS1LE. Let's go outside. It's a bit chilly here in California. It was like super hot the other day, but let's go and dive in and show you guys all the way over here what we got going on. The car just got polished. It's freshly painted to blend into both fenders on the passenger and the driver's side. The cool thing about this project right here, guys, where he wanted the inserts to be flat black to match with the original track package that our customer is also equipped with. So what we did is we matched the satin black hood that comes from the factory with the lower lip and the headlight brackets. A detail like that really matters a lot for him, and when he sees it in person, he's gonna go extremely happy on that. So super excited to get this gloss black look, and to be honest with you guys, gloss black is not the easiest paint to get on point. So therefore, we had to blend into the fenders and blend into the other side of the fender. We did not have to blend into the hood because it's already satin black from the factory, and we were ready to rock and roll. Now we got one more mod that we're gonna add to his car, which is the side skirts ZL1 style and satin black to go ahead and match with the theme that he's got going on and go at it from there. Without further ado, let's show you guys some B-roll close-up looks on this beautiful conversion that you can purchase from our website.